हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश टॉक्स विद डॉक्टर सुमित कुमारी दैया। और अब हम कर रहे हैं ऑल अबाउट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ। William Wordsworth, his time period was from 1770 to 1850. Birth 7th of April 1770 at Cockermouth, Cumberland, England. It is known as Lake District. His parents were John Wordsworth and Anne Coxon. His education was Hawkshead Grammar School, University of Cambridge, St. John's College, Cambridge. Marriage was on 4th October 1802 with Mary Hutchinson, school fellow. His sister was Dorothy Wordsworth. Age or era. The age of Wordsworth is called the Romantic Age. The Romantic Age is supposed to begin in 1798, which is the year in which Wordsworth's lyrical ballads were published. The Romantic period in English literature is clearly divisible into two generations of poets. The first generation belongs to William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, Walter Scott, and Robert Southey, and these are known as older poets. And the second generation of the Romantic poets include Lord Byron, P.B. Shelley, and John Keats, and these are known as younger poets. Love affairs. His short affair was with Mary Asthwaite. In November 1791, he visited France and fell in love with the French woman Annette Vallon. In 1792, she gave birth to his child Anne Caroline. The reign of terror and war between France and Britain separated them, that is, Annette Vallon and to Wordsworth. His occupation was basically as English Romantic poet and critic. Sobriquet, nature poet, high priest of nature, harbinger of nature, worshipper of nature. Lake poets were William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, and Robert Southey. Wordsworth wrote 523 sonnets. He was moody and violent-tempered. His teachers were William Taylor, inspired to compose poems, and Michael Bublé, who inspired him for politics. He belonged to a Tory group. As we know, there are two political groups there, Whigs and Tories. So William Wordsworth belonged to Tory group. He was awarded as poet laureate between 1843 to 1850. He remained poet laureate up to 1843 to 1850. Robert Southey was from 1813 to 1843 and William Wordsworth from 1843 to 1850. Alfred Tennyson remained poet laureate from 1850 to 1892. So we can remember these dates, that who was poet laureate from which date up to which year. William Wordsworth died on 23rd April 1850 at the age of 80. He died of pleurisy, buried at St. Oswald's Church, Grosmere. So William Wordsworth was of 80 when he died. 4 edition of Lyrical Ballads. First edition was published in 1798. He wrote it along with Coleridge. Second edition came in 1800 and there was Preface to Lyrical Ballads there, and it was written by Wordsworth only. Third edition of Lyrical Ballads came in 1802, and fourth and final edition of Lyrical Ballads came in 1805. So let us know about important events. In 1791, he traveled to France, witnessed the middle stage of French Revolution from 5th May 1789 to 9th of November 1799. In 1793, he published his first poetry collection, having An Evening Walk, Descriptive Sketches. In August 1795, he met Samuel Taylor Coleridge, also known as S.T. Coleridge. In 1803, Scotland, he met Sir Walter Scott. Between 1795 to 1797, he wrote his only play, The Borders. There is only one play written by William Wordsworth, and which was written between 1795 to 1797, and it is known as The Borders. It is a verse tragedy set during the reign of King Henry III of England. In 1798, Wordsworth and Coleridge produced Lyrical Ballads, that is, collection of 23 poems. Coleridge contributed 4 poems, Wordsworth contributed 19 poems. Lyrical Ballads open with Coleridge's The Rime of Ancient Mariner and ends with Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey. In 1802, Wordsworth and Dorothy traveled to France to meet his daughter Caroline. Dorothy is sister of Wordsworth. He married Mary Hutchinson, a schoolmate and longtime friend. In 1805, he finished his poem to Coleridge. In 1813, he moved to Rydal Mount, almost spent 50 years of his life there. In 1814, Wordsworth published The Excursion with 9 books as the second part of the 3-part work Recluse. The Recluse includes Introduction, the Prelude with 14 books. Part 1st have The Home at Grasmere, unfinished work. Part 2nd, The Excursion. Part 3rd, no title was given to that part and it was an unfinished product. In 1843, he was named Poet Laureate of England, which we have discussed earlier. In 1850, he died of pleurisy and inflammation of the lining around the lungs. In 1850, The Prelude or Growth of a Poet's Mind, an autobiographical poem written in blank verse, published posthumously by his wife Mary Hutchinson. The Prelude began in 1799 and was completed in 1805, but was first published 3 months after the poet's death in 1850. It included 14 books, 7,863 lines, and intended to be the introduction of the Recluse. Poems in 2 volumes, 1807. The Leech Gatherer, Resolution and Independence. I wandered lonely as a cloud, the daffodils. My heart leaps up. Ode, Intimations of Immortality. Ode to Duty, The Solitary Reaper. Elegiac Stanzas, composed upon Westminster Bridge, September 3, 1802, London, 1802, The World is Too Much with Us. His major works are, in 1793, An Evening Walk, addressed to a young lady. 1793, Descriptive Sketches. 1798, Lyrical Ballads. 1798, Tintern Abbey. 1806, Intimation of Immortality. 1807, Poem in 2 volume. 1815, L'Odimia. 1819, The Wagoner. Series of 5 Lucy poems are from 1798 to 1801. 3 years she grew in sun and shower. His famous odes are Ode to Duty and Ode to Intimation of Immortality. Sonnets written by him are Classical Sketches, a series, Part 1, 2 and 3, London, 1800 to Milton, and The World is Too Much with Us. Now let us know about the sayings or famous lines by Wordsworth. The child is the father of man. It is taken from My Heart Leaps Up. Poetry is a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. It takes its origin from emotions recollected in tranquility. Stern daughter of the voice of God, ode to duty, a moral eunuch, P.V. Shale, William Wordsworth is a giant of poetry, J.C. Ransom.